At Satarla, we're all about finding sustainability through the most creative but also practical solutions. We don't just talk about it, we actually do it. So welcome to our Sustainability Research Centre. This is our farm in the northeast of Scotland, where we undertake a wide variety of research projects. Now, these projects, they include everything from collecting research data from satellites and drones through to a wide variety of sensors that we've buried within the soil or we've hidden in the woods to capture the appearance and the sounds of birds, bats, bees, insects. Within Satarla, we not only work with different clients around the world, we also undertake the fundamental research so that we can help to improve things for the long term. We work with governments, we work with research institutions, we work with farmers and those engaged in producing the raw materials, but also people who work further down the supply chain. So by engaging with that entire system, we can work out not only how to make different businesses and different economies, but also the environment and society as sustainable as possible for today, but also help to improve the entire system for the future.